Welcome to my channel, Talk Smart English 3. I'm your host, Laiba.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laiba and I am your host for today. Welcome to this podcast. I am very happy that you are here and listening to me. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. Our topic is how to be more confident. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you sometimes feel nervous when you speak in English? Do you feel shy when you talk to new people? Do you feel afraid of making mistakes? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Confidence is something that many people want, but they don't know how to build it. The good news is, confidence is not something you are born with. You can learn it. You can build it step by step. In this podcast, I will share simple and easy ideas to help you become more confident. I will use easy words and simple sentences so you can understand everything clearly. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Now let's understand a very simple question. What is confidence? Confidence means believing in yourself. It means you feel sure about what you are doing. It means you trust your ability. But let me tell you something important. Confidence does not mean you are perfect. It does not mean you never make mistakes. A confident person can still feel nervous. A confident person can still make mistakes. But the difference is, they do not stop. For example, if you speak English and make a mistake, a confident person will say, "It's okay, I will try again." Confidence is not about being the best. It is about trying, learning, and improving. Also, confidence is not something you are born with. You are not born confident or unconfident. Confidence is a skill, and like any skill, you can learn it with practice. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times. But the baby does not stop. The baby keeps trying. And one day the baby walks. Confidence works in the same way. So remember this. You do not need to be perfect to be confident. You just need to believe in yourself and keep going. Now let's talk about something very important. Why is confidence important in our life? Confidence helps you in many ways. First, confidence helps you speak better. When you are confident, you can share your ideas. You can talk to people without too much fear. This is very helpful, especially when you are learning English. Second, confidence helps you in your studies or work. When you believe in yourself, you try new things. You answer questions. You take part in activities. This helps you learn more and grow faster. Third, confidence helps you make decisions. When you are not confident, you feel confused. You are not sure what to do. But when you are confident, you can choose more easily. Also, confidence makes your life happier. You worry less about what other people think. You feel more comfortable with yourself. You enjoy your life more. Let me say this in a simple way. Confidence gives you the power to move forward. Without confidence, you may stop. With confidence, you keep going. So confidence is not just important. It is very important for a better and easier life. Now, let's understand something very important. Why do people feel low confidence? There are some common reasons. Maybe you will find your reason here too. First, fear of mistakes. Many people are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, they stop trying. They stop speaking. And slowly, their confidence becomes low. But remember, mistakes are a normal part of learning. Second, negative thinking. Sometimes we say bad things to ourselves. For example, I am not good. I cannot do this. My English is very weak. When you think like this again and again, you start to believe it. and this makes your confidence weaker. Third, comparing yourself with others. You may look at someone and think, "Wow, their English is so good. I am not like them." But this is not fair to yourself. Everyone learns at a different speed. Everyone has a different journey. When you compare yourself too much, you forget your own progress. Fourth, past bad experiences. Maybe in the past, someone laughed at you. Maybe someone said something negative. Maybe you failed at something. These experiences can stay in your mind, and they can make you afraid to try again. So, these are some common reasons: fear of mistakes, negative thinking, comparing yourself with others, past bad experiences. If you feel any of these, it's okay. You are human. This is normal. The good news is you can change this. Step by step, you can build your confidence again. Now let's talk about the most useful part. How can you build your confidence? Don't worry, these ideas are simple. You can start them today. 1. Start with small steps. First, start with small steps. Do not try to do everything at once. Start with something easy. For example, speak one sentence in English every day, or talk to one new person. Small steps are very powerful. They help you feel success, and this success builds your confidence. Remember, small progress is still progress. 2. Practice speaking. Second, practice speaking. If you want confidence in English, you must speak. You can practice in simple ways. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Talk to a friend or family member. At first, it may feel strange, but that is okay. The more you speak, the more comfortable you feel. Practice makes you better, and better practice brings confidence. 3. Think positive. Third, think positive. Your thoughts are very powerful. If you think, "I cannot do this," your confidence goes down. But if you think, "I am learning, I will improve," your confidence grows. Try to change your self-talk. Instead of saying, "I am bad at English," say, "I am learning English step by step." Simple positive thoughts can make a big difference. 4. Accept mistakes. Fourth, accept your mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Do not feel ashamed. Do not stop. Even very successful people make mistakes. The difference is they keep going. So next time you make a mistake, just smile and try again. 5. Improve your body language. Fifth, improve your body language. Your body also shows confidence. Try these simple things. Stand straight. Look at people when you talk. Smile. When you look confident, you start to feel confident. Even a small smile can change your feeling. Final thought for this section. So let's quickly remember. Start small practice. Speaking. Think positive. Accept mistakes. Improve your body language. You don't need to do everything perfectly. Just start with one step today. Confidence grows slowly, but it grows for sure. Now you know how to build confidence. But here's another important question. How can you stay confident every day? The answer is daily habits. Small daily habits can make a big difference. 1. Practice. Every day. First, practice every day. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. You can speak, read, or listen in English. Daily practice keeps your confidence strong. 2. Learn something new. Second, learn something new every day. You can learn a new word, a new sentence, a new idea. When you learn new things, you feel more prepared. And when you feel prepared, you feel more confident. 3. Take care of yourself. Third, take care of yourself. Sleep well, eat healthy food, take some rest. When your body feels good, your mind feels good too. And when your mind feels good, your confidence becomes stronger. 4. Celebrate small success. Fourth, celebrate your small success. Did you speak one sentence today? That's great! Did you learn a new word? That's progress. Do not wait for big success. Be happy with small wins. These small wins build big confidence. Final thought for this section. So remember, practice daily, learn daily, take care of yourself. Celebrate small success. Confidence is not built in one day. It is built every day. And now we are at the end of our podcast. Today we talked about how to be more confident. We learned what confidence is, why it is important, and how we can build it step by step. Before we finish, I want to remind you of something very important. Confidence does not come in one day. It takes time. It takes practice. And that is completely okay. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself with others. Just focus on your own journey. Even one small step every day is enough. If you feel nervous sometimes, it's okay. If you make mistakes, it's okay. If you feel shy, it's okay. Just don't stop. Keep trying. Keep learning. Keep believing in yourself. You are stronger than you think, and you can become confident, step by step. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. I am Laiba, and I am really happy you joined me today. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching Talk Smart English 3, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, and stay confident.